I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Create Integration. Search and select Kali Forms. Copy the webhook URL and fetch it. Now go to the Kali Forms dashboard and edit the form. Go to the setting and click on Webhook. Give here a name. Create. Paste the webhook URL in the payload URL. Map the respective fields. Save. Test. Test done. Now go to Bid Integrations dashboard, and here you can see the data is fetched successfully. Set actions. Search and select the action Mailster. Connect to Mailster. Mailster connected successfully. Next. Map the respective fields. Under the actions, click on the status checkbox and choose a subscriber status. Click on the lists checkbox and choose a list. Click on the tags checkbox and choose tags. Here are the advanced features in conditional logics. You can use it for your own requirement. Next. Finish and save it. Let's submit a form. Click on Send Message. Go to the Kali Forms and fill in the form. Submit it. Form submitted successfully. Then go to the Mailster dashboard and click on the subscribers. Here you can see that the data has been come successfully in the Mailster subscribers. Thanks for watching.